Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve some new question from our first chapter, not from profit organization. Today I am going to start with the receipts and payment account. I think you will know about the what is the meaning of receipts and payment account. In this account, we are going to enter receipt side all type of receipts. Maybe that is relate with the revenue or capital, relate with the next year, current year, last year. If received, then put in the receipt column. Same way payment, if any type of payment will come, then you are going to transfer in a payment column. Okay beta? Now I am going to take the first question on this topic, and question number is practical question. Question number 1 of practical question. I am going to just start that practical question of this topic. Okay, just see the question. Start with the just going to the make the receipts and payment account or given detail. Cash and bank 1st April 45,000. Subscription including 8,000 for the 19 and 20 and 12,000 for the 18 and 22, 21 and 22. Here no means with that 18 and 19 and 21 22. If received, this year we are going to receive, so we are going to enter in the receive and payment account. Okay beta? Receive column and payment. Okay, then 12% investment, purchase, expense, 7 expense column. Okay, then entrance fee received in receipt column, sports material purchase expense in payment column, furniture purchase expense payment column, sale of old furniture. If any type of sale is given, so then 5,000 you are going to receive, 5,000 received, so then 5,000 in receipt column. And then municipal tax expense, printing and stationery expense, sale of good old sports material income, journal expense only 18,000 because 2,000 got not paid, 2,000 was not paid, so only 18,000 we are taking. And then interest received for the investment. Okay, now we are going to start this question. First, cash and bank. Any type of cash and bank is given, then we are going to take this as balance. Okay beta? Balance BD, that amount is 45,000. Okay, that amount is 45,000. Then subscription received. Then subscription received. So then subscription to that amount is 4,70,000. Directly put this amount only. Okay, 4,70,000. Directly put this amount. Then 12% interest purchase. You are going to investment purchase. Then expense. So then expense on this side by investment. Okay, amount is beta 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Purchase means expense. Then expense where expense side. Sport material purchase, sorry, entrance fee received, income to fee received, that amount is 15,000. Amount is 15,000. Then sport material purchase, purchase means buy. It's like a cash book na beta. Purchase means buy side because it's expense, payment by sports material. Sports material amount of 70,000. Okay, go for the next. Furniture purchase. Again they are going to purchase some furniture. Then expense by furniture purchase, and that amount is 80,000. Okay beta, amount is 80,000. Up to this clear? Then sell of old material. You are going to sell the material or any machine or anything else Sale of old sports material. Okay. Sale of old furniture. Sorry. Sale of old furniture. That amount is 20,000, but we are going to sell in 5,000. So only we are receiving of 5,000. Then it's just sale of old furniture 5,000. Okay. After that, municipal tax. Municipal tax you are going to pay. If you are going to pay this payment side by municipal tax and amount is 1,000. Okay, beta. Expense 1,000. Then printing and stationery. Again, same side. Printing and stationery amount 24,000. Okay, beta. Then sale of old sports material. You are going to sell. Sell means income. Then sell of old sport material, and that amount is 6,000. And then journal expense. Then again payment side. Expense payment side 20,000. 20,000 is main, but 2,000 not paid. It means only 18,000. Then interest received on investment. Okay, beta. Interest received on investment. You are going to receive the interest. To interest, that amount is 6,000. Okay. Then tournament expense by tournament expense, and amount is 72,000. Okay. Then salary paid and amount is 84,000. And then postage and courier 2,000. Courier 2,000. Okay. Now going to take the balance, that by balance CD. Here 4,70,000, 4,70,000, 5,10,000, 5,20,000, 5,30,000, 5,35,000, 5,41,000, 5,47,000, 5,47,000, 5,47,000. Okay, and this side take the difference. After difference amount is 46,000. Okay, beta. 1,50,000. This 1,00,000, 3 lakh rupees. Thatly 3 lakh, 3,20,000, 3,30,000, 4 lakh, 4,80,000. Okay, 4,80,000, 4,90,000, 5 lakh, 5,01,000, 5,01,000 less from the 5,47,000, only 46,000. This is the what? This is the receipts and payment account. On this way we are going to make the receipts and payment account. Okay, beta? Clear? How to make the receipts and payment account? All type of receipt on the receipt column, all type of payment on the payment column. Okay, beta? Clear? Even that payment is received, just relate with the this year, next year, last year, current year, or relate with the revenue or capital. Here no matter is that. Okay? Clear? I think well clear about that. Clear है बेटा? That is the receipts and payment account. Clear? Now I am going for the next, that is income and expenditure account, and that question number is 2. Here they are saying just make the income and expenditure account with this detail. Here receipts and payment account is given. By this receipts and payment account we are going to make the income and expenditure account. Okay beta? I think we'll clear the rules for making of income and expenditure account by the receipts and payment account. This side expense, this side income. Okay beta? Clear? I think you will remember the rules. When we are going to make the income and expenditure account by the receipts and payment, only we are take all expense and income which is related with the current year. Okay beta? Which is related with the current year. All expense and income which in a nature of revenue. All income and expense which is the nature of revenue. If any adjustment is given, that adjustment we are going to utilize, and no balance will take from income and receipts and payment account. Okay? It means first thing, didn't take any type of balance from the receipts and payment account. Okay? Then only revenue income we are going to show on the income side, and only revenue expense we are going to show on the expense side. Okay? Only current year income and expense we are going to show on the income and expenditure side. Okay? Clear? Now we are going to start question number 2 first. First I am going to explain this question, then we are going to solve. Okay beta? First is the cash balance. Again I am telling these things. We didn't take any type of balance. It means that balance we are not going to take. Okay? Clear? Next is the life membership fees. It's a capitalized. It means we are not going to take the life membership fees because it's a capitalized, and only revenue things we are going to take in income and expenditure account. Next, locker rent. It will take. Okay? Entrance fee. It will again. Subscription. 3-year subscription is given. 1920, 2021 and 21-22. So only we are going to take the 2021. Okay? Next, donation for swimming, roof. Any type of special donation we are not going to take. Only simple donation we will take. Okay, next, interest will take, miscellaneous income will take, income from advertisement will take, here rent, okay, take, purchase of furniture, it's a capitalized expense, that will not take, salary, okay, insurance premium, okay, telephone charge, printing, investment purchase we are not going to take. Okay, now I am going to start the question. Okay, let's start with the question from expense side. First is the rent. So write down here to rent, and amount is beta 48,000. Then next, furniture purchase we are not going to take, salary. Salary amount is 2,40,000 beta. Okay. Then insurance premium 2, premium amount is 12,600. Okay beta. Then telephone charge 2, and that amount is 18,200. Okay, all the expense we are going to put. Only think about that will relate with the in nature of revenue. Then printing 2, printing amount 4,100. Then next is the investment purchase, that will not take. Next is the cash balance, that will not take. Okay, now go for the receipt side. In income side, life membership fees, that balance we are not going to take. Balance, clear? Next, life membership fee, it's a capitalized, so don't take. Next, locker rent, then buy. Locker rent amount is 22,000. Okay, next, entrance fee. Entrance fee 5,700. Then subscription for 2020-21, and that amount is 3,46,000. And then next, donation we are not going to take. Next is the interest, then buy interest 15,000, put on the inner column, and then say anywhere any type of investment is given on the which interest rate is given or not given, then is okay, take outside. Otherwise you will know about the things, any type of outstanding or prepaid will come. Then buy. Next is the miscellaneous income, amount is 700 only. And then income from advertisement, amount is 12,000. Okay beta, no adjustment is given. Now we are going to add this all. First this side 3,40,000, 3,60,000, 3,70,000, 3,80,000, 3,90,000, 3,96,000, 98,000, 98, 4 lakh, 1,400. Okay, 4,01,400. Okay beta, again check. 3,40,000, 3,60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, and again 10, 4,1,400. This side 2,80,000, 90,000, 3,10,000, 3,12,000, 3,12,900. Rest from here 4,05,000, 8, 9, 8. $240, $280, $90, $20, $210, $222, $322. Okay, then 7. Okay, then difference amount is 785,000. Okay beta, that will what beta? That will be 2 surplus. Okay, on this way we are going to solve income and expenditure account. Okay, income and expenditure account by the utilizing of receipts and payment account. I think well clear? Clear or not beta? Well clear na? This all is clear or not? Again I will repeat. Balance, that balance is given. We are not taking the balance because in income and expenditure account we are not going to take any type of balance. Then life membership fee, it's a capitalized, so we are not going to take the life membership fee. Okay, Then locker rent, it's a revenue. On nature of revenue, then we are going to take the locker rent. Okay, beta. Then next, entrance fee. In entrance fee, some confusion is there. If any information is given about to capitalize or revenue, so we are going to follow that revenue or capitalize. But here no information is there. Then only we are going to take as like a revenues way. So then, as a revenue we are going to take. As a revenue, we are going to take there by entrance fee. Okay, 5,700. Then next, by subscription, 3 subscription is given, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22. So only current year income and expenditure we are going to see. So only current year income is 3,46,000. So we are going to take the 3,46,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Then next, donation for the if any type of donation is given for any special things, so we are not going to take. 2 type of donations there, special donation and simple donation. If simple donation is given, then we are going to take. If any specialized donation is given, so then we are not going to take. Okay, clear? Then interest we are going to take here because it's an income. But on the time of putting the interest, first see the investment purchase or date is there. If any date is there in investment purchase and any rate of interest is given, then we are going to see that interest rate is following here or not, or any difference with the interest rate, the amount which is calculating by the utilizing of interest rate, and the amount is given here. Okay, then miscellaneous income we are taking miscellaneous. Then income from advertisement, that also we are going to take. Okay, so then total on this side, so 4,01,400. Clear? Then come on the expense side. Expense side, first is the rent is expense, revenue is there, revenue related, it means we are going to take the 2 rent. Finished? Next, furniture purchase we are not going to take. Okay, beta? Furniture purchase we are not going to take because furniture purchase is the capitalized. Okay, so we are not going to take furniture purchase. Then salary is revenue related, so then 2 salary, 2,40,000. Okay, then next, insurance premium, that is again relate with the revenue, so 2 insurance premium. Okay, beta? Then next, telephone charge again on revenue, so then 2 telephone charge, then 2 printing and stationery. Okay, and last is the investment purchase. Any type of capitalized expense we are not going to take. Okay, so that purchase of investment is capitalized, we are not going to take. And then cash balance, any type of balance, again we are not going to take. Okay, beta? Any type of cash balance we are not going to take. Clear? On this way, we are going to totaling in this amount. This side 44,01,400. This side 3,22,900 will come. Okay, and then take the difference. If the difference is coming expense side, that will be surplus. If the difference will coming on income side, that will deficiency. But in this question, difference is coming on which side? Difference is coming on which side, beta? Difference is coming on expense side. So then we are going to put 2 surplus. Okay, 2 surplus. The surplus amount is here only. Okay, and same on the place of surplus, we can say income over expenditure. Okay, one more name is there, beta. Income over expenditure. Okay, on the place of surplus, we can write income over expenditure. Okay, beta. Here we can write income over expenditure. I think all thing is clear, beta. In this question, no adjustment is there. Okay, beta, no adjustment. If any adjustment is given, so then we are going to utilize that adjustment also. As like that, if any type of outstanding is given, so that outstanding, if they are related with the current year, that will add. Any type of outstanding from the last year, that will less. Any advance is given for the any expense, any advance is given for the any expense, so that will less if current year. If last year, that will add. Okay, beta? Any type of error, not paid of any expense, that will add. Prepaid, if you are going to pay in advance, that will less. If any stationery or anything is given and opening stock of stationery is given, so that will add. Closing is given, that will less. Okay. On the basis of this used, we are going to make our income and expenditure account. I think well clear about how to make the receipts and payment account, and then how to make the income and expenditure account by the utilizing of receipts and payment account. Clear or not? Clear? Here only we are studying how to make the income and expenditure account. It's not a full accounting of the not from profit organization. It's only one single account. When we are going to make the question, solve the question, there are three type of things we are going to make. One, income and expenditure account. Second, opening balance sheet. And third, closing balance sheet. Why we are going to make the opening balance sheet, beta? Because we don't have any type of capital. So for the calculation of capital, we are going to make the opening balance sheet, and the balancing amount, difference amount is called capital fund. Here we are not telling the capital, we are telling the capital fund. Okay, clear? Okay, on next class we are going to take one full question in which we are making the opening balance sheet, income and expenditure account, and then we'll balance it. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, thank you.